Traders, Siren crypto has crashed nearly 85% this week, with the price now trading around 20 cents to 24 cents. So the big question is this the beginning of a recovery, the next bullish move, or just a trap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Member-requested chart analysis is now available on Patreon. Get 50% off your first month and join today. Check the link in the description and bio. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's get into the analysis.